Hello! Woo! Today we want to give back to those who give. Thank you so much for helping us. I've got something for you. You ready? Flowers for you! I'm not homeless. That's the thing. It's for you. Wait, I got something else for you. Here's $100 for you.
No way.
Yes.
But what is this? What are you doing?
Why did you give me money? Hey, thank you so much. Woo, thank you so much. Actually, we don't really need money. We just want to say thank you to the people that are generous.
Yo.
Some flowers.
Nice.
Please, take it. And I want to give you guys $100 so that tonight you can have a nice dinner, okay?
No way.
Yeah, because you gave me money, so I'm giving you guys money.
I give you $1.
Yeah, you guys are good people.
Can I get a hug? Oh my.
Hey, thank you so much. Actually, we don't really need money. This is for you. Thank you so much. Where are you from?
I'm from Metro, Ohio.
Oh, can you give me a hug?
Sure.
Thank you. Can I give you $100 to thank you? There's $100 for you.
Whoa.
Thank you so much for your being generous.
You're welcome.
Give me another hug now. Can I challenge you now?
Thank you.
You have to make somebody happy with it.
I will.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
It's on YouTube. Would you mind if we use it?
It's okay.
Can I get your authorization to upload it on my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Awesome. Would you mind if I use it for my channel?
Sure.